Good morning, my friends. Came in early today. Wanted to shoot this truck. Busy week, didn't have time. So came out at sunrise. We got some beautiful light, so hopefully cinematography is above average. Also bought a couple new Canon L lenses. Sammy's camera gets me in trouble every time I walk in the door. So anyway, enough about that. Today we are in Icon BR number 53. Really like this truck, feeling good. Really unique color. The client's mandate was specifically that he wanted a blue that was just about black, and he wanted it matte. So we introduced a little bit of mica metallic in there so you get some surface sheen, and it's a great color. Lots of duality, depends on shadow, bright light, inside, outside. You get a lot of different colors out of it. So it's a nicely equipped Icon Bronco, and let's walk you through it. So, on the outside, we have the Icon rear view mirrors and door handles, of course. We have the CNC'd 6061 billet Icon grille with the enamel-filled Ford letters. We're running the usual Icon bumper system all the way around. So in the rear, you have the storage compartments on the top deck of the bumper, which is kind of taking advantage of otherwise completely dead space. We're running the Class 2 hitch receiver. You'll notice it has the reverse camera back there as well. Up in the front, running the Icon bull bar. It has the integrated Warn winch, as well as the Icon branded auxiliary LED fog lights. Headlights are the new Icon headlights that are, again, subtly branded with our little lizard. And they have the glow rings, which are quite nice. So those complement the LED round bullet lights and give you really good turn indication. We're not running Ranger trim on this one. We're running conventional 3M window tinting. And then we're running the BF Goodrich KO all-terrains with the new Icon 18-inch forged aluminum wheels. You'll notice we ran the floating center caps on this truck as well. I think that is, yeah, I know, that is now standard Icon fare. Really happy with it, looks cool, has a nice effect that it's pretty subtle. You don't notice it, and then when you do, you're like, whoa, that's cool. That's pretty much it on the outside. Moving to the inside, we're running the Chilowich textile option. We're running the seat heaters in the front. We're running the 2-passenger tuck and tumble removable bench in the rear. For audio, we're running the 8200 NEX by our friends at Pioneer. And as mentioned, that's equipped with the optional reverse camera, as well as amp and bass. The new Icon center console in all its glory. You've probably noticed in recent trucks we upgraded the cup holder on that console. Pretty minor upgrade, but I wanted to radius the corners. So there's no sharp edge down there to deal with. Of course, you have the audio security door, which fortunately does not rattle. I have that outfit with magnets on the bottom to hold it, and then there's a felt liner as well. Primary console bin, you have a gas shock, you have LED lighting on the inside, you have LED lighting on the rear plane, as well as multiple power ports. We put the Chilowich insert in the bottom of this bugger, and I'm really happy with it. Stainless steel construction. On the top deck, we used leather instead of vinyl because that allowed me to heat emboss the Icon lizard into it. Seem to be on a roll doing that. We have the Caterpillar Hellcat steering wheel with the spun pewter center medallion. We have the Icon sun visors. Those are as found in the Lear jets. They're super cool. They're available on the website for sale should you just feel like you need them. Inside rearview mirror is the self-dimming powered unit. Headliner is done in Alcantara, but of course, they always are. We've done a couple funky different color changes if clients do custom interior, but usually the black is best, I think, because it just kind of disappears and goes away. Laser cut stainless steel cargo and door panels. Those are framed in laser cut aluminum, which is powder coated in the Icon Volcanic Black. We have power windows in this truck, but the subtle ones. So they're, they look like the original analog crank, but you nudge down for down and you nudge up for up. What else? Those cargo panels integrate a power port on the rear passenger side. And then, of course, like all of the Icons, heat-cured polyurea protects and insulates the floor of the body as well as the firewall. And then we have Dynamat up in the roof, doors, and quarters. For powertrain, we are running the Coyote 5-liter aluminum fuel-injected V8 as found on the 2018 Mustang GT. That in turn is paired to the Ford automatic transmission with overdrive. Transfer case, we are running the Atlas 2 twin-stick part-time shift-on-the-fly 2-speed transfer case. And axles, as always, we're running our beloved Dynatrac Dana 60 in the rear, Dana 44 in the front with significantly upgraded internals. In the middle of those axles, you will find the ARB locking differentials. What else? Still haven't run out of those F knobs. So these are the machined Icon knobs. You've got lights, wiper, fan, vent, and temp. Dakota Digital Icon designed gauges, sport pedals, fire extinguisher option, sport brakes. So those are Brembo, and those are hydro boosted. What else? What else? We have the standard Fox Racing coil-over suspension. This client did not opt for the adjustable, tunable sports suspension. I've been forgetting stuff lately, so let me take a look. Yeah, I think we're good. So as always, I really appreciate you guys taking the time to get to know my brand. If you have any questions, please reach out to us. Our website is icon4x4.com. Instagram's tons of fun. That is Icon4x4. Facebook, Icon4x4, or simply my personal page, Jonathan Ward. You guys have a great day. Be well.